Healthcare and technology is definitely converging in a lot of ways. They're going to dramatically impact our ability to treat different conditions, identify novel therapeutic options, et cetera, et cetera. And I think a lot of this is being driven actually by the tech companies, as you kind of alluded to in your question. I think tech companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon really perceive healthcare to be an untapped opportunity. So they see I think they see the opportunity to impact healthcare in many of the same ways that tech has impacted other spaces. It'll improve outcomes, improve efficiencies, things like that. But I think up to this point in time, they've struggled. The Apples, the Googles of the world, both from an organizational design and from a branding perspective, to figure out how to do this. And I think that's part of the reason why it's been kind of a slower progression than what's happened in other industries. Ultimately, I think this will have a dramatic impact on healthcare by making it more accessible. The ability to monitor patients remotely, for example, which again, as we alluded to earlier when we talked about Apple, will significantly reduce the impact of geography on the ability of individuals to receive healthcare. We talked a little bit about some of the AI-powered tools that Google's developing. This will enhance the ability of physicians to make more accurate and earlier diagnoses. And AI is also being used a lot outside of these groups to make the drug discovery process more efficient. And in doing so, will ultimately expand, over the long term, will expand the treatment options that are available, both in the cardiovascular space and in other spaces.